Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. It is bright and early Friday morning. We are back at it again. You can see over my shoulder here, I got the intake off this LM7, fuel rail, injectors. Gonna start there and see how far we get. So, let's go. Okay, so quick look at the intake. I have it all stripped down and ready to go. I'm gonna put it in a Tupperware tote and clean it up with some soap and water. And then all the little accessory bits and pieces, fuel rail. I'm gonna get the injectors off the fuel rail yet, but clean all this stuff up. Back to the wire wheel for bolts and all these goodies. Just gonna blast through a quick little throttle body resto here. Essentially just clean it up and get it ready to put back on the intake. All right, final. Not bad for 16, 17 years old. This thing cleaned right up nice. Fresh coat of paint on the throttle body. High temp aluminum colored paint. Yeah, looks pretty good. All right, guys, that's it for tonight. I'm gonna hit the wrapper. It's 11:45 and I've had about enough. So I'll be back down here again tomorrow morning and pick right back up where I left off. See you in the morning, guys. All right, guys, good morning to you. All right, so I'm gonna get after some of the accessory brackets here. I gotta get this power steering pump off, and all of these brackets are gonna go in a sandblast cabinet. Get all the old crud off them, and then we're gonna put a fresh coat of paint on them. First coat of paint. These things aren't painted from the factory, but clean up all these pulleys and bolts. So stand by, we'll get this all tore down and get her cleaned up. Fun little afternoon of sandblasting ahead of me. Alright guys, my apologies. I never got a chance to do any filming while I was sandblasting these because your hands are a little preoccupied, but everything turned out very, very well. We are back to brand new standards. Time to get after them with a little high temp enamel. Status update. So this stuff still sits unpainted. I'm painting in stages. So these brackets and what have you are going in aluminum color. And I'm currently painting black right now back here in my makeshift paint booth. It's cold outside, so I got to do what I got to do. Just cracking the door, turning on the fan, and painting as I go. So that's motor mounts, pulley wheels, various bracketry. And then, in more exciting news, these guys are going on a diet tomorrow and getting their lungs cleaned out. There's a fella in town that is a cylinder head wizard, so I'm going to cut him loose on these and make him breathe a little bit better. All right, big day. Down to the cylinder head shop we go. Load it up. Alright guys, we're on our way down to the cylinder head shop. Pardon the vertical video. I've got my phone in my cell booster cell phone holder and I don't have any way of twisting it horizontally. So we are on our way down to the cylinder head shop though, as I said, and I'm hoping to provide you guys with some footage of this cylinder head sorcerer working his magic. No promises though. I don't know where his head's at on me filming while we're doing the work, but anyway, you'll have to stand by and see what I get. So, on our way. Okay guys, my apologies. I could not take you into the cylinder head shop with me. For whatever reason, Buddy didn't want that to happen, so I'll just have to show you the final product. We'll have to settle for that. But as far as everything else goes, this is where we sit. So, accessories are all painted up and ready to go back on the motor. They turned out really, really well after that sandblast and a little bit of engine paint. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this one. I will catch you on the next one where you will find me in this engine bay, showing you some tips and tricks on how to get those tidied up and make look new again. So, thanks for watching, everyone, and by all means hit me up in the comments with your questions or your thoughts on my project. I really appreciate your views and all the love. Take care, guys. Bye for now.